Nga ng Bini, buhay ay hindi karel. Literal.
Yes!
Sabi
Buhay ay
nga,
di
diba?
karel.
Oo, sabi nga.
It's, in a way, relaxing. It's very tranquil. Tranquil?
Yeah. Wow.
Tranquil.
Serendipity.
Pero, ayun. So, it's parang stressful kapag hindi ka sanay at first.
Yeah,
Kasi
oo.
syempre,
It's
mabilis ka
something new
mapapagod.
Oh, it's something new.
Pero once you've gotten into it, makikita mo talaga na it's a nice distraction.
Yeah, oo, pag stressed. So, it's really important for our viewers out there na don't force yourself.
Yes.
Dapat you build your progress. Wag mo munang pilitin na mag 5K kasi iba-iba naman
Yes.
tayo ng
We have our own
pacing.
pace.
O
Buhay
sabi
ay
nga,
di
diba?
karel.
Oo, sabi nga ng Bini, buhay ay hindi karel. Literal.
Yes.
Literal. Kasi every day, you can just run for 10 minutes. You can just run for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Ikaw bahala. Kasi it's your life. You can handle your own life. So, kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyong pacing, kung saan nyo gusto mag-jogging. Pero of course, we have to think about kung ano lang yung kayang i-handle ng body natin.
Yes.